Hey, it's Sophia. It's the 27th annual pumpkin drop, and I'm here with the Society of Physics students. I'm with the president, Kate.
Hi.
Tell us a little bit about this event.
Hi, so we're on the roof right now of Rhodes Tower, and this is our 27th annual pumpkin drop. This is an annual event that we do around Halloween every year, and we basically just drop a bunch of pumpkins off the roof, and we have tons of really fun and informative physics demos.
That's so cool. Tell me about the preparation. How did you guys do all this?
Yeah, so in terms of the pumpkins, so we bought around 50 to 60 pumpkins to drop off the roof. Yeah, it's a lot of pumpkins. And we bought those about a week ago, and we put them in the freezer. And so we'll freeze them for a week, and then about 3 days before pumpkin drop, we'll start to put liquid nitrogen in there. So they get super, super, super cold.
Wow.
Because liquid nitrogen is at negative 200 degrees Celsius, right?
Wow.
So that's very, very cold. And we'll put about an eighth of a tank of liquid nitrogen in morning and evening for 3 days. So the pumpkins get really, really cold so that they shatter really well when they hit the ground.
That's amazing. And why do you guys choose to do this every year?
So first, it's really, really, really cool. It's fun. And it's also a great way to really engage the community in physics. It's a very approachable way to look at science, right? You know, it's just pumpkins falling off the roof. It's something that anyone can understand and enjoy no matter their experience with science. So it's really just a way to extend science to a wider community.
It totally is. And tell me a little bit about the organization.
Yeah, so we're the Society of Physics students. So one of our goals is to make science more accessible. So we do tons of events and we talk about the science of lots of different things and specifically the physics of all of those things.
Thank you so much, Kate, for inviting us, for organizing all of this. It's so cool. And best of luck. I'm so excited to see these drop.
Thank you so much. I'm excited too.
3, 2, 1.